Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a beneficiary in Webull. If you want to ensure that your investment assets are passed on to your loved ones in the event of your passing, having a beneficiary setup is essential. We will walk through the steps needed to complete this process clearly and concisely. First, you will need to log into your Webull account using the mobile app or the desktop version. Enter your username and password, and once you are logged in, navigate to the account management section. On the mobile app, you can find this under the menu option. If you are on a desktop, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you are in the account management section, scroll down until you find the beneficiary option. Click on it to access the beneficiary settings. Here, you will see any existing beneficiaries if you have added them before or an option to add a new beneficiary. If this is your first time, you will need to select the Add Beneficiary button to begin the process. After clicking the option to add a beneficiary, you will be prompted to fill in essential details about the individual you want to designate as your beneficiary. This typically includes their full name, relationship to you, date of birth, and contact information. Once you have entered all the required information, review it for accuracy and save your changes. Congratulations, you have successfully added a beneficiary to your Webull account. Make sure to periodically review your beneficiary settings to ensure they are up to date. Thank you for watching and happy investing.